Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 9 USD per sale you made with this affiliate marketing strategy. As you know, when we are doing affiliate marketing, we always earn a commission based on the sales we have made. And also imagine that you can be able to earn up to 9 USD per any sale you made. When I talk 9 USD per sale you made, that means this affiliate marketing program I'm going to be showing you can be able to pay you up to 10% of the sale you made. Without wasting time, let's get started. To be able to make this amount, so what you have to do is to come here into our browser and try to search for Wacom Pickup. Once we search for wacom-pickups.com, we are going to be heading to the platform itself, and on the platform you can see we are going to be directly arriving to the platform. As you can see, there are different kind of bookings that you can be able to book, or that you can be using to refer your traffic, your audience. And also once they purchase any service here, once they book anything here, you're gonna be getting a commission of up to 10%. Remember, if you're gonna be checking here, you can see for instance, if I'm gonna be finding the information about this platform and how much of the commission you can be able to pay, you can see that it can be able to pay you up to 10%. You can see up to 10% commission of the booking value, which means if someone has booked any trip, any tour for 90 USD, you're gonna be getting up to 9 USD per sale, as you have also made that sale. That means 10% on 9, it's gonna be 9, and also that's a big amount of money. For instance, if you're gonna be making at least 5 sales, you're gonna be getting 45 USD, which is a great opportunity to be able to use for making money, also for making passive income. So as you see now, we have different kind of trips, and for instance, if you're gonna be exploring different kind of trips, you have to come and select a city. First of all, let me select the country I want to be traveling to. For instance, I'm gonna be booking a ticket to. So let's say I'm gonna be going to France, and so I have to click here to France. The second thing I have to do is to select which city I'm gonna be going to. I have to click on it. And also the third one is to also, you can see I have this one I have completed before. However, I have to close it and also show you how you can be able to do this. For instance, if I come here, I have to choose which airport am I going to be departing from, and also which airport I'm going to be going to, also my destination. Now I have to also select the pickup date. Now let's say it's 25 today. I'm gonna be also selecting the pickup hours. Now these are passenger, you can see how many passengers are you. Let's say for instance it's 12. I'm gonna be getting this number of passenger. Also, how many pieces do you have? Let me say it's 12 as well, because we are 12. Maybe let's suppose that every passenger is having his or her own luggage. So let me click continue. So as I click proceed, I'm gonna be getting the quotation of the amount that I have to pay. So unfortunately, we cannot accept bookings from 8 to 20 on 25 March 25 due to high demand. Please select different time or consider other transportation. However, what I'm gonna do is to now click on this. Now let's suppose that this trip is available, and also you're gonna be getting up to also, let's say you're gonna be getting this is 10% of it. It's gonna be 14 USD per sale, which is a big amount of money you're gonna be earning here. So now let's say that I'm gonna be coming back and edit, because you see this time is not available. I can be able to select this one to see if it is available, and see you see also it's gonna be booked, horror booked, because we are maybe it's because we are many passengers. Let's try to select this, and okay, so this time is not available. So let me go back, for instance, and select another city and see at what time I can be able to book from. So now let's see that I want China, or let's see I want United Kingdom. So these are gonna be Belfast, United Kingdom. And also I have to click on what I have to click is to select the airport of departure, as well as the George Best Belfast City Airport. Now I have to also click my airport of the destination, which is Port of the Belfast, and also have to choose the pickup date, which is today. And also let's say I have to book at 11:20. So I'm gonna be also selecting the number of passengers that I'm gonna be going with. Let's select the maximum 40 people, which is 12, and I'm gonna be getting the number of luggage pieces which I'm gonna be having. Let's select 12, which is equal to the number of passengers in the bookings. And also let's see if I click continue, I'm gonna be getting now which amount of money. I'm the main passenger. You can see they say I'm the main passenger. No, the freight is not available. So let's see airport of origin. Let's select this one, and also let's now click I know my flight number. I don't know it. Let's now see total price is gonna be 1.19 USD, because the way where I'm gonna be from and where I'm gonna be flying, I'm gonna be paying this amount of money. So also you can see if you're gonna be earning a commission for this one, also you can be able to earn a commission as well. However, as you can see, this one doesn't have enough money. What you can do is to come and find, and as you can see, global readers, and also choose another destination. Let's see, let's select Italy. So, and see Bari, Italy. Now select the given hour and see the airport of departure. These are Bari International Airport, and also I select the destination, then I select the pickup date. Let's select, for instance, 28th, and I'm gonna be selecting at this time. I'm alone, we are two, and also have two baggages. Let's now click on it and see how much money you can get. So you can see now this one is available because we have a booked for the future, which means there is not such much demand of bookings, which also can lead us to not being picked up. So as you can see, I'm now from Bari International Airport, Kuala, and also I'm gonna be getting to Bari Central. So from here we see we are going to be paying ELO 73, which means if I'm going to be earning a 20 commission of it, or 10% commission of it, I'm going to be able to make 70.3 USD or ELO per sale I have made. Now let's see how we can be getting started with creating affiliate marketing on this platform. As you can see, what I have to do is to light welcome pickups as well. Once I light welcome pickups on the platform itself, I have to scroll down to the bottom and search for affiliates. If I have found affiliates, this is going to be signing up. You can see I have this affiliate option, which is here. This is the one I'm going to be clicking on it. You can see I have affiliates. This is what I'm going to be clicking on it. And once I click on this, it's going to be opening. And also what you have to do is to proceed generate income with the #1 transport app for travelers. These are also transport application for travelers. And also what you have to do is to click on the sign up option, where I'm gonna be signing up as well. Let's click on here and sign up here. So you can see if I click on it, I'm gonna be signing up. So automate your audiences transfers in minutes and give your audience 5-star. Now you can be able to release. But as you planning to be signing up with affiliate marketing, what you have to do is to sign up by filling this form. This is where you fill your first name, last name, your website, and also you want to best describe you. Are you a website, blog, travel agency, online travel agency, ferry company, airline, other? If you have other things, you have to also preferred integration option. It's if you want to integrate into white label landing page, booking widget in your website, booking on behalf of travelers, text links, API, and others. So you have to select which option are you going to be using. Now you have to use a worker email. So remember, worker email is always associated with your domain names, and also have to use it. Other thing also, you have to select the country you are from. Once you are done with that, now you have to click become an affiliate. If you want to log in also, you will be using this link. And also, once you are done with the application, you can now get started making money by referring your audience to be booking these travelers through this travelers app, and also be able to earn a passive income. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel TV, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn notification button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.